हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको आई एम जॉन्स हार्ट रिटन बाय जेडी रैडक्लिफ के कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन के बारे में बताएंगे। व्हेन जॉन थिंक्स ऑफ मी एट ऑल से लेकर के आई एम एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू, पीरियड ऑफ हाफ ए सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी इज रिफर्ड टू इन दिस पैराग्राफ। Answer, the important part of the body which is referred to in this paragraph is the heart. Question second, is the referred part delicate and fragile? Answer, no, the referred part is not delicate and fragile. It is twice as strong as the arm muscles of a heavyweight boxing champion or the leg muscles of a runner. Question third, what muscles are stronger than the muscles of the uterus? Answer, no muscles in the body are as strong as the heart except those of a woman's uterus as she gives birth. Question fourth, what slight exaggeration is being referred to in these lines? Answer, the muscles of a woman's uterus do not work day and night for 70 years. On the other hand, heart is expected to work at all times for 70 years. This is the slightest exaggeration that is being referred in these lines. Next है स्टेंजा, जॉन ब्लेम्स ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग ऑन मी से लेकर के ईटन ए कपल ऑफ आवर अर्लियर इम्पॉर्टेंट है। Question first, what does the word me stand for in the first sentence? Answer, the word me stand for the heart in the first sentence. Question second, why am I not responsible for John's dizzy spells? Answer, the heart is not responsible for John's dizzy spells because these dizzy spells are generally found to be coming from his ears. Question third, when may John get a sharp pain in the chest? Answer, John may get a sharp pain in his chest when he eats a heavy meal. Question fourth, John should not worry about that because it comes from a bad stomach, not from a bad heart. Next, how do I get माई नरिशमेंट से लेकर के कॉज ऑफ डेथ इम्पॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, हाउ मच डज द हार्ट वेट इन रिलेशन टू द बॉडी वेट? आंसर, द हार्ट वेट ओनली ए 200th पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी वेट। क्वेश्चन सेकंड, हाउ मच ब्लड सप्लाई डज हार्ट नीड फॉर इट्स नरिशमेंट? आंसर, द हार्ट नीड्स अबाउट 1/20 of the blood supply for its nourishment. Question third, what is the function of the heart to coronary arteries? Answer, the two coronary arteries give nourishment to the heart. Question fourth, what is the greatest single cause of death? Answer, the greatest single cause of death is trouble with coronary arteries. Next है, there are a lot of things से लेकर के easier for me important है। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, what is the harm in putting on excess body weight? Answer, if a person puts on excess body weight, he is likely to have a high blood pressure. Question second, what would surprise John? Answer, the decrease in blood pressure that would come afterwards would surprise John. Question third, why is smoking so harmful? Answer, smoking is very harmful. It puts a big amount of poisonous substance called nicotine in man. It shrinks the arteries. It increases blood pressure. It also excites the heart and increases its beats. Question fourth, how can things be easier for John Hart? Answer, things can be easier for John Hart if he gets rid of continuous excitement of nicotine. Next para है, I hang by लिगामेंट्स इन द सेंटर ऑफ ए चेस्ट से लेकर के इनफ पंपिंग टू फिल एन 18,000 लीटर टैंक। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, where does a heart hang in a human body? Answer, a heart hangs in the center of the chest in the human body. Question second, how would you describe the size and shape of human hearts? Answer, a human heart is 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter in size and pear-like in shape. Question third, what do the two pumps do in a heart? Answer, one of these pumps moved blood into the heart while the second one pushes the blood from the heart into the body. Fourth, what is the approximate volume of blood a heart pumps per day? Answer, it is 18,000 liter approximately. Next, what John should be doing is taking से लेकर के others to nourish me. Question first, how much of a walk is helpful to John? Answer, a walk of a kilometer or 2 a day is helpful to John. Question second, what should John do before taking the lift? Answer, John should walk up the first 2 flights of stairs before taking the lift. Question third, what is the harm done by the fatty deposits? Answer, fatty deposits usually block some of the arteries of a man. Question fourth, what is the good done by the regular exercise? Answer, regular exercise causes new blood pathways to develop. Next है, John hardly ever think of me से लेकर के happens without him knowing. Para 5th and 6th important है. Question first है, what is meant by the expression heart neurotic? What is good for Jones according to the writer? Answer, it means the person who worry too much about their heart. It is good for him to stop worrying about his heart. Question second, what is meant by skipping a beat? Why was John quite worried one night? Answer, it means missing a beat of heart. He was worried one night because he thought that his heart had skipped a beat. Question third, how can it be said that ignition system of Arthur's heart is almost similar to the ignition system of John's car? Answer, they are similar because they both may get out of tune for a moment. Question 4, point out those wrong things John is often worried about concerning the author's heart. Answer, such things are missing a beat and pulling a beat on the top of another beat. Thanks, best of luck.